In this video, we'll graph this function by transformations. So we will start with a basic function, which is y equals absolute value of x, and we will perform several transformations on it, and so we can get our target function, which is this one, right? Okay, so to transform our basic function to that function, first I think I will first multiply a negative x to the whole thing. I can do that. And then I'll replace the x by x plus 3. Then I will add a 2 to the whole thing. So this is my plan. All right. So starting with our basic function, the graph of the absolute value of x looks like this. All right, so multiplying a -1 to the whole function, that means your y will become -y, right? So it's reflecting your graph across the x-axis. So your graph will go upside down after that transformation. Okay, now the next transformation is replace x by x plus 3. That means your graph needs to shift 3 units to the left. Okay, so that means this turning point will go to -3, 0. 3 units to the left. Right? So it's going to be like this. Okay, now last transformation is add 2 to the whole function. That means shift the graph 2 units up. So now this turning point will turn from -3, 0 to -3, 2 because the whole graph is shifted 2 units up. Right, so your graph will look like this. And I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.